Alright guys, so we're going to finish with making the movie on Movie Maker, and then I'll teach you how to use the Screencast-O-Matic next. So, in regards to finishing the movie, as you can see, I've created all my images and they are all in here. So I just kind of want to walk you through two steps. So number one, feel free to play, like I said, play around some of these options as well. So what I did is in the beginning of the song, I put this image in just to kind of give you a little bit of a title. You do not have to do this, but one thing I point out with this is when you go to your edit option. For me, my song and the lyric doesn't really start till about 22 seconds in. So what I did is I clicked on this image and then I went to duration, and I wanted to show you guys that my first image, my first primary source, I didn't want to show you until about 23 seconds into the song. So I left this on as a title page and then adjusted the duration to that. So feel free to alter the length of a primary source depending on how you want to sync it with the lyrics. The reason being, in one of my lines of the song, the author says, if Franklin Roosevelt was still living, I wanted to make sure that it matched up exactly with the audio. So what I did is I shrank the images in front of it and I changed the direction so that when that line hit, I would see exactly that. And that's really kind of the reason we're doing the comments on the Word doc, is so that when it kind of goes side by side with what we're doing. When you are done with your video, you're including all these things, you want to make sure you can be creative, because in reality the rubric will have to do with being creative with your song. When you're finished, you're going to save the movie. What I would do is it would be to save it for the computer, and then pull it out of there with a USB. And then once you do it, save it wherever you want. And I'm just going to call this "They Don't Care About Us." And this song is about oppression. And I'm going to save it somewhere that I can find, so I'll put it on my desktop. This way I can get to it quickly. Now, once you create the movie, it will take you a while, maybe a couple minutes to create the movie in itself. Just sit the computer down and let it run, and it shouldn't really be a problem.